Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save battery and protect your eyes to set the screen time out on Windows 11. So if your screen staying on too long and draining your battery, or maybe it turns off too quickly while you are reading, in this tutorial I'll show you the fix. So you can just right click on the start menu and choose settings, and in here just press click on system and then scroll down until you find the power settings, power and battery. This one, power options, and you'll see this option, screen and sleep. So what you need to do is just tap on this drop down, and as you guys can see, you can set the screen time out in here. When plug in, turn off my screen after, for example, you can just set it into let's say 3 minutes. So when your device is not used on 3 minutes, it will automatically turn off the screen. And that's it. Now you've set screen time out the smart way on Windows 11. Less battery drain, less eye strain. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!